Well, would you look at that?
This sucker is making a ton of noise and vibrating and sounds terrible. As you can see, it's got some good flame. It is an older machine and it is dirty. Somebody does have some laundry in here. We'll see what's going on.
Now, we were on site in this laundry room working on a washing machine while this dryer was running terribly next to us. It was running terribly because this dryer sheet was stuck in the fan along with a bunch of lint. We couldn't just let that be, so we cleared it out for them, and there's the first pile of many. After we started working on the chute, which, yes, it does need to be replaced, but until then, we had to clean it out for them because this pile just got worse and worse and worse. However, after getting this thing cleared out and getting it back together for the tenants, I am glad to say that this machine purrs like a kitten.